We're at gate 10 finally. It's on the other side of the airport. Yeah. We're off to Bangkok. He's gonna spend one night in Bangkok.
And then at Singapore.
Yeah. We're having an Asian tour. This is our drummer, our lead vocals, the media. Ako lang.
That's me.
Mas less crowded to. Saan? Oo nga eh. Oo nga eh. Ganyan sila habang naghihintay sa airport. Wala ka nang magawa. Kasi delayed yung flight. Yeah. Clipping namin. Clipping. She's Jane. Hello, Jane. She's collecting my... you'll see her sa YouTube. Yeah, she's from Cebu Pacific. Anyway, so we're off. We're about to board. I'm seated at 8A. Yay.
Bye-bye.
Babu. Hindi, ako pupunta ng Bangkok. Siya pupunta ng Bangko. Bukas pa yun. Hello. Yun, gate 10. Hindi na passport pa? Hindi na. Okay. Yun, so pasok na kami. Anyway, that's our plane. It's an A319. And we're about to board. Palo, kakatok. That's the feel of the airplanes. It's exterior. Wow.
Bangkok here.
We're off to Bangkok. We're gonna watch Muay Thai. There. The airplane looks new. It smells new. And
It's like a halo.
yeah. Yeah. Pumasok na si Mika. So that's the interior of Cebu Pacific. There. That's Iris over there. Hello, Iris. You'll see yourself sa YouTube. Yan si Iris. Anyway, we're here sa loob na ng A319 aircraft. And where am I seated? 8A. Just looking for my seat. Medyo, it's a smaller plane compared to the last time they took. There you go. That's our seat. Anyway, we're off to the restroom first before we fly. So, ano muna tayo sa likod? CR ah. Yun. Ito ang CR nila. Dito sa bandang likod. It's myself. Oh. Of course, we have to shut this thing off. So we're here at the back of the plane. There's the galley, and there's... Hello. She's busy. Anyway, they're preparing for takeoff, so I have to be back. I have to return to my seat. Just showing you the interior of the A319 aircraft. So, in a while. Wait ako sa inyo mamaya. Bye. 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah. Yep.
3 hours?
Mga about 3 hours. Ngayon pala na papato na si Tito.
Walang non-stop to? 3 hours?
Non-stop diretso.
Dalawang tabaw pala to.
Finally, Joff can sleep.
Wala niya man tabaw eh.
Yeah, finally I can sleep. Like he can. Kasi guguluhin ko siya.
Like?
Guys will illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. Do not place the vents inside the aircraft.
Oo. Lilipad pa. Lumipad. Lipad! Bye-bye! It feels big. No, maganda, no. I mean, effects ng rain. Bilis na. Pag bigger planes kasi parang hirap mag-feel yung speed. meron silang C2. Yeah, C2 Apple. Isa. C2 Apple here costs $50. Isa lang, yun lang. Gusto mo? That's, I'll stare, right? Yan. You'll see yourself on YouTube. Yan, so $50. So you have two of these. Yeah. Oh, so yan. So, yun lang po. That's food. It's quite expensive.
Would you like some ice, sir?
Yes, please. Currently filling out yung application card. Kasi hindi ka nag-lipstick na.
Sleepy.
Ha?
I'm sleepy.
Yeah, thank you. Hindi ka ikaw. Yun na. Ladies first. Ito tayo ngayon. Wala muna. Baka kumain ka. Bye-bye. So right now they're holding a game. I thought they only do that sa domestic flight. Pero they also do that sa
And for my last
international.
item, who can show me a race for me a pair of
Mga contest
footwear?
nila.
Pair, I have to see pair, up in the air, pair. Yeah, we are a winner. Congratulations.
So they're selling stuff. Hindi ka just, ay pinabili mo?
For today.
Oh, yung bili mo?
I don't know, a bag.
It's
ID.
souvenir items. Keychain. Pwede tignan.
Sige po.
Yes, how much is this one?
180.
Oh, pwede.
Puzzle
Sige.
po siya po. And tapos, ikot na.
Oh, okay.
Depende. So,
Well, next time when we come back on our return flight, we'll take one of those.
80 lang this
Okay. Ito, blanket.
blanket.
Welcome to Bangkok. Swire Group. Cathay Pacific.
Sana service natin yung bus na yun.
Oo nga, no? Diretso na sa Bangkok. Anyway, guess where we are? We're here at the cockpit of the A319, is it, sir?
Yes, 319.
Yeah, and then Nika's there taking the picture. So right here we are with Captain
Alfonso.
Alfonso. This is Captain Alfonso, and then they have a female pilot, but she's not around. Ang ganda. Naging, so like as I said kanina, hindi na siya yung yung yoke type. Siya na yung parang F-16 na raw siya ngayon.
By wire na kasi ito eh.
Oh yeah, so everything's automated. See? There you go.
Kamigit na.
What will happen if you press this? Wala lang. There.
Paano po ito? Babalik na po kayo sa
Manila.
Manila.
Alright, after bilis yung turnaround.
3 hours. Turn na 1 hour na.
Alas 1.
Yung aircraft refuel. Babalat ng cargo, linisin yung
Ano?
plata.
Hindi ko makita mo ka.
Mabilis. Ayun yung throttle. Ayun eh.
Mukha mo.
Yung plata.
Ako na.
Alright.
Thank you po.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you.
Jenny, again.
Have a safe flight.
Ingat po kayo.
That was fun. Anyway, we're thanking the cabin crews here for accommodating us. You'll see yourself on YouTube. Hello. Anyway, that's 6 days in Bangkok, so.
Have a good time back home.
Yeah, thank you.